Today I want to talk to you about. You can choose to make the channels. YouTubers and others will be able to see. Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about YouTube privacy. If you don't make these changes to your YouTube privacy settings, YouTubers and others will be able to see what videos you watch and to which channel you have subscribed. I can click on anyone's profile and check what channels they have subscribed to and videos they watch.
What?
You can choose to make the channels that you subscribe to and videos you watch public or private. When they're set to public, others can see your YouTube watch history and what channels you have subscribed to. If they're set to private, no one can see your YouTube watch history and what channels you have subscribed to. Now I'll show you how to change these settings. Once you're signed into your YouTube account, click on your profile icon in the top right. Click Settings. In the left menu, select Privacy. Under Playlists and Subscriptions, check the boxes you want to keep it private. And that's it. To keep your online presence private, ensure you make these changes to your YouTube privacy settings. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest tech-related stuff here on IT Era.